Keystone SmartSafe California compliant emergency backup provides 90 minutes of reliable emergency backup using lithium-based battery technology and works with multiple fixture types in multiple applications. Keystone SmartSafe California compliant line meets the state's highest standards and has been evaluated to meet CEC Title 20 efficiency requirements and UL 924 requirements. SmartSafe solutions include the 12-watt one-piece form factor featuring single-case housing with either standard side exit leads or dual-flex cables. The 20-watt one-piece form factor includes self-diagnostic testing and uses dual-flex cables. If space constraints are a challenge, the 5-watt and 12-watt two-piece solutions feature a separate battery and driver mount. Lastly, the SmartSafe Emergency Backup two-piece 12-watt kit includes an LED module that powers up when the fixture enters into emergency mode. This is ideal for use with LED tube applications as well as retrofit applications. Smaller form factors and ease of installation makes our SmartSafe products a preferred choice in the industry. That's light, made easy.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.